Yo, what's up? Welcome to Backyard Kitchen Garden. Welcome to the YouTube channel. On this new video, we're going to be using our peanut shells, egg shells, guava leaves, and our sawdust here to make our own homemade compost. And then a little bit later, we're going to be adding our soil to the mixture. So the process of making this compost is very simple and very easy. We are going to start by using our eggshells and our sawdust. So what you have to do right now, guys, is to crush your eggshells on your sawdust. Crushing these eggshells on your sawdust makes it very easy to dry up, and then after drying up, your eggshells will decompose very easy because they will be covered with this sawdust. And then we are going to come over back again, and then we will be using our leaves. So these leaves are very simple, guys. We only use them for nitrogen, mainly because nitrogen helps our plants to grow. Nitrogen can only be found in green plants, green leaves, green stems, and so on and so forth. Most of the green minerals you can find your nitrogen. So the eggshells can be used to find your calcium. So right now in this video, guys, I'm helping you out to balance out your minerals. So this is how you can also make your fermentations using your eggshells and your green minerals. So to carry out this process of making this compost, guys, you can also use a pit, and then you can take all your kitchen scraps and dump them into that pit. They will decompose. After decomposing, you will get your compost. So this method that I'm doing right now is on a smaller scale, but this is the first steps to making your own compost. So after finishing this process of making this compost, you will see the results on your own back there, and then you will practice. So right now I'm going to be adding our peanut shells. As you can see, the peanut shells, guys, these are ground nuts. So I'm going to dump them in here. So right now I have to make this mixture so that our minerals will blend together. What I have to do right now is to either choose to add wet soil or dry soil. So for me here, guys, I prefer to choose dry soil because dry soil helps to observe the composition as it takes place. So this is my dry soil here. What we have to do is to not add much dry soil because it will be too much soil and less minerals in there. So we mix it up. So on a larger scale, this process will be decomposing very slowly, and your compost will be very healthy, guys. So this is how you make your own compost at home. So this compost here will be ready to be used in about 3 to 4 weeks from now, and then after that we will see if we choose to use it to plant our seedlings or we will scatter it in our garden. So this is how you make your own homemade compost. Very simple and very easy. Stay tuned, guys. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will see you in the new video.